Are you staring at a blank white screen in Elementor right now, dreading building another footer or features section from scratch? Client wants the site done yesterday. You're tweaking padding on the same pricing table you've built 100 times. It's exhausting. Yesterday, I built an entire landing page in under 20 minutes, and I didn't install a single plugin. Let me tell you how. I stumbled across this tool called CopyElement on AppSumo. The promise is simple. Copy full Elementor sections from their library and paste them directly into your editor. No plugins, no bloat, just copy, paste, done. If you want your weekends back, the AppSumo link is in the show notes. But let me explain why this matters first. Here's the real issue freelancers don't talk about enough: plugin bloat and subscription fatigue. You install a massive plugin like Ultimate Add-ons or CrocoBlock just to use one widget. Now your client's site is slower, you're managing extra updates, and you're paying $30-50 every month. That adds up, financially and mentally. We need a way to build fast without bloating client sites or bleeding cash. That's exactly where CopyElement fits. I grabbed the $59 Tier 1 deal, one-time payment. Standard AppSumo redemption. Logged in, and that's it. No plugin to install. It's completely web-based. You get access to everything: 4,000 components, 2,000 templates, unlimited projects, no domain limits. For freelancers, that alone is huge. Here's where this gets good. I was building a landing page for a local gym, classic New Year, New You vibe. I needed a features section. Normally, that's 15-20 minutes of containers, columns, icons, styling. You know the drill. Instead, I opened CopyElement in a new tab, searched Feature Dark, and picked a clean 3-column layout. Hovered, clicked Copy, switched back to Elementor, right-click, paste, and boom. The entire section appeared in about 3 seconds. No custom widgets, no CopyElement branding. Just native Elementor elements, headings, icons, dividers. I changed the text, adjusted colors using my global styles, and moved on. I built the hero, features, testimonials, and FAQ in about 15-20 minutes total. It honestly felt like cheating. Workflow-wise, I just keep it open on my second monitor. The library loads fast. Searches can take a second if they're broad, but nothing painful. It's a newer AppSumo product, but the founder is active, and they're promising weekly template drops, which is what you want to see with tools like this. Quick pros and cons. Pros: no plugin bloat, your client's site stays lightweight. Massive library, you'll never run out of layouts. Uses native Elementor widgets, your designs won't break if you stop using the tool. Cons: some designs are solid but a bit generic. You may need minor cleanup depending on your global styles. It's newer, not as polished as Envato yet. Nothing deal-breaking. Final verdict: if you handcode everything, skip this. But if you're a freelancer, agency owner, or anyone who just needs to ship websites faster, this is a no-brainer. For $59 one time, it pays for itself on the first project. Honestly, probably the first hour. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. Grab it through my AppSumo link in the show notes if you want to save time and your sanity. Go build something awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.